In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall MetaTrader 5 without losing your settings. Many traders face the hassle of having to start from scratch whenever they need to reinstall their trading platform. But with a few simple steps, you can ensure that all your custom settings, layouts, and scripts are preserved. First, let's navigate to where your data is stored. Open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once it's open and running, head over to the top menu and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Open Data Folder. This step is crucial because the data folder contains all the necessary files and configurations that make your platform uniquely yours. Once you've opened the data folder, you'll see several folders listed. Your main task here is to copy some of these folders to a secure location. This means you need to make a backup of the critical elements that define your trading environment. Let's start with the MQL5 folder. This folder is essential as it contains all your expert advisors, indicators, and scripts. These are the tools that you've probably spent a good bit of time customizing or purchasing, and losing them can be quite the setback. Next, look for the Profiles folder. This folder holds your chart layouts and workspaces. Preserving this will save you the trouble of reconfiguring all your market setups. Imagine it like maintaining the current view and layout of your physical trading desk. The Templates folder is up next. Here, your chart templates are stored. These templates determine your chart settings, allowing you to keep the same format and appearance for future usage. Skipping this step might leave you with unfamiliar chart presentations post-reinstallation. While you're at it, consider copying the Files folder. This folder stores important data files that your expert advisors and scripts use. It's crucial for ensuring that these tools operate smoothly after reinstallation, maintaining their functionality exactly as before. Finally, though it's optional, you may also want to copy the Images folder if you use custom images within your MetaTrader platform. These might be logos or other visual elements that personalize your trading experience. Now that you've secured these folders, choose a safe location to store them, such as a USB drive or a cloud storage service. Cloud storage is particularly handy as it provides easy access and ample space without the risk of losing your files if your computer runs into issues. And there you have it. By backing up these 5 folders, you can comfortably proceed to uninstall and later reinstall MetaTrader 5 without the fear of losing your meticulously arranged settings. Remember that having backups is an excellent practice, not just for this scenario, but as a general rule to protect your vital digital assets. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tips on managing your trading platforms efficiently.